The weekend. Once upon a time, in a little town nestled in the rolling hills of the countryside, there lived a group of animal friends. There was Pippin the pug, Rusty the raccoon, Pilla the bunny, and Sammy the squirrel. They were the best of friends, and they loved nothing more than spending their weekends together. One sunny Saturday morning, the four friends met at their favorite spot in the park. They were excited to spend the day playing games, having a picnic, and enjoying the beautiful weather. "Good morning, friends," Pippin exclaimed, wagging his tail as he greeted his pals. "I brought my favorite frisbee. Who's ready for some catch?" "I'm in," Rusty chimed in eagerly. "But first, let's lay out our picnic blanket and dig into some of these delicious snacks I brought." Rusty pulled out a basket full of goodies, including juicy strawberries, crunchy carrot sticks, and freshly baked banana bread. This is delicious," Bella said, nibbling on a carrot. "It's always so much fun when we get together like this." Sammy agreed. "Yes, and it's not just the food that's great, it's the company too. I love spending time with all of you." The group spent the morning playing frisbee, blowing bubbles, and lounging in the sun. As they were settling in for lunch, they noticed a family of ducks waddling by. "Hi, little ducks," Pippin called out. "Would you like to join us for some lunch?" The ducks happily quacked in agreement, and the group welcomed them to their picnic. They shared their food and chatted about their favorite things to do on weekends. "I love spending time with my family," said Bella, "especially my little sister. She's so much fun to play with." "I like going on hikes with my dad," Rusty chimed in. "We always find cool things in the woods, like acorns and wild flowers." "I love having picnics with you guys," Sammy said, "but I also enjoy reading books and writing stories on my own." Pippin barked excitedly. "I love going on walks with my owner, and sometimes we even go on road trips." The ducks listened intently and shared some of their favorite activities too. They told the group how they loved swimming in the pond and going on adventures with their mom. As the afternoon wore on, the group bid farewell to their new duck friends and decided to take a leisurely walk through the park. They chatted about their plans for the next weekend and how they couldn't wait to get together again. "I have an idea," Sammy said. "Why don't we all invite our families to join us next time? We can have a big picnic and play games together." The others agreed excitedly, and they all made plans to bring their families to the park the following weekend. The week flew by, and soon it was Saturday again. The group gathered in the park, this time with their families in tow. They set up blankets, played games, and shared delicious treats. As the sun began to set, they all gathered in a circle and shared their favorite memories from the day. Bella talked about how much fun it was to play hide and seek with her little sister, and Pippin's owner talked about the silly faces Pippin made during their walk. Rusty's dad talked about the beautiful wild flowers they found on their hike, and Sammy's mom read one of Sammy's stories aloud, which had everyone laughing and smiling. As the evening drew to a close, the group realized that spending time with friends and family was truly the best way to spend their weekends. They had so much fun together, and they were grateful for the memories they had created. "Thank you for a wonderful day," Rusty's dad said as they packed up their belongings. "It's always so nice to spend time with friends and family." Bella's mom agreed. "I love seeing you all having so much fun together. We should do this more often." The group agreed, and they made plans to get together again soon. As they walked home, they talked about all the things they were grateful for: each other, their families, and the beautiful day they had just spent together. The next morning, as Pippin lay in bed, he couldn't help but smile as he thought about the weekend. He felt grateful for his friends and for the time they spent together. He knew that no matter what happened, they would always be there for each other. As he drifted off to sleep, he couldn't wait to see what adventures they would have together next weekend. After all, spending time with friends and family was the best way to spend his weekends. The end. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. We'll see you in the next one.